For decades, Plumpton Park has been a large part of the Rising Sun community.
It's in the hometown area, so they can come here and see exotic species.
We like that it's a smaller zoo. It's not too crowded, but it's got the giraffes and the zebras.
Owners Nick and Cheryl Lacovera bought the zoo from its previous owners after they fell on hard times in 2010. Since then, they've been working to bring the zoo up to speed. One of their most ambitious projects is to raise money to construct a new giraffe conservation center to replace the current giraffe barn.
The barn that was built from old plans that are very much out of date for what giraffes really need nowadays.
The state of Maryland agreed. In the summer of 2011, they authorized a grant to match donations dollar for dollar up to $100,000. It will not only provide a new home for this guy, it will also offer a place for Rising Sun residents to host community meetings and learn about wildlife. The Giraffe Conservation Center will be fully equipped with a combination classroom and meeting area.
So it will host everything from TAP programs to school tours for programs that meet education standards for different grade levels. There's a possibility that it could be used for community meetings for the town of Rising Sun or for the county as a whole as well.
So far, local businesses and residents have been very generous. Owners were amazed when a 10-year-old girl arrived with her grandfather to hand them a check for $100. At this time, Plumpton has raised about $14,000, but they still have a long way to go. In Rising Sun, Maryland, this is Carly Markels for UD News.